everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to link smart home keys to Samsung Wallet in 2025. The first step you need to take is to launch the app from your home screen or app drawer. Then the next thing you're going to do is look for the plus button, usually at the bottom or top right. And next thing you're going to do is choose smart home keys from the list of options. And then pick your smart lock provider. It could be Samsung, SmartThings, that is Samsung SmartThings, Yale, August, or Scalage. So once you've chosen your smart lock brand, next thing you're going to do is to grant necessary permissions and sync your smart lock with Samsung Wallet by following the on-screen setup. Next, you have to test the key to see if it works by holding your phone near the lock to unlock it via NFC or Bluetooth. It's as simple as that. Note, your smart lock must be compatible with Samsung Wallet 2025. So ensure your phone has NFC and Bluetooth enabled. This information is confirmed, yes, the steps have been confirmed, based on 2025 Samsung Wallet One UI 7.0 and works with major smart lock brands like Samsung, SmartThings, Yale, and the rest. So, hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more smart tech tips.